Woo! Hello! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening as well. Welcome back to Gobbleberry Show. And today we will unleash a key right here. And it's not a Gunpla. Because as I know, this is a Beyblade. Yep, I am Beyblade. I'm a Batman. Okay, this is a Beyblade. Yep, and I don't know. I forgot the name. But yeah, let's unleash this one. I'm very excited because yeah, this is one of the newest and I think the very first having a rubber with the metal blade, man. Having a rubber. Wow, that would be a good and nice resistance to different impacts on that blade. Yeah. So let's go. Let's unleash with this rusty but still trusted Hobby Knight. Again, it's not a cutter. Hobby Knight. Let's go. Let's unleash. So we have here and we unleash the This is your Beyblade X UX11 Impact Drake. So as you can see here, this is the very first Beyblade X and under UX with a rubber on the blade, on the metal blade. So yeah, I think this is used for having a resistance to the impact on the different metals, because if you have a rubber, it will go get on the rubber, it will just absorb its collision and the force, and then it will not really have much more of the impact on the opponent blade. So yeah, maybe that's the explanation for that, because it's on rubber, and also maybe it will have a nice impact to other blades also. But yeah, so much for that. At the back, you can see here that the owner for this one is the leader of the Pendragon, because right now I'm watching Beyblade X on Netflix because wow, it's already available on Netflix, so I will really want to see it. So yeah, but I think I'm still on the episode 16. Yeah, so I'm very for the latest episode, but I'm happy because I can watch it in a marathon. Yeah. Okay, so much for that. It's a right turning blade, so a right spinning blade. It's not the dragoon. Am I right? I forgot that. What's that? Is it here? Ah! Oh. I don't know if it's here. But yeah, it's not like on the other Beyblade that we have, that it's on the left spinning blade. Where is that left spinning blade? I don't have it here already. But yeah, as I know, I already bought that. Yeah. But yeah, I don't have it here. But yeah, I already bought it. Okay, so right here we have a right spinning blade or a side spinning blade, and then the ratchet is 960. Nice one. It's lower, so it will really hit that ratchet of the opponent. And its bit is LR, low rush. Am I right? It's a low rush. So yeah, and it has. Oh, I didn't expect that. I think it's just the blade, or it's just the blade. But it has a string launcher, man. It surprised me because I really don't know it. And yeah, so it has a string launcher, and it's very nice because we have it. Okay, so this is your Impact Drake, and it is a 960 LR or 960 low rush system or set. Am I right? Or settings. Yeah. So next time for this one, we will have an unboxing, and together with the unboxing, we will have a spin test together with a spin battle or a battle, it's a battle with other blades from the original going to my fake ones, and then let's see who is really stronger with all those Drake. Yeah, we have the Cobalt Drake, and now we have the Drake, the Impact Drake, and the other one, I forgot the name of that. I think it's here. No, it's not. Okay, but yeah, we have it here. So this is your UX11 Impact Drake 960 LR or low rush. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed for our next video. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Gobbleberry Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. Bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below, hashtag Jake the Beyblader, and have the chance to be shouted out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.